In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself in QuickBooks Online. This walkthrough is perfect for situations where you move money from your business bank account to your personal account without writing a physical check. We'll record that transfer properly so your books stay clean and your equity stays accurate. Before we start, a quick note on what we're doing. We'll use the expense form in QuickBooks Online, but we're not treating this as a tax-deductible expense. By categorizing it to an equity account, you're recording an owner's draw, which reduces your equity rather than showing up as a business cost. This approach is commonly used by sole proprietors and single-member LLCs that don't run payroll. If you pay yourself through payroll, use your payroll tools instead. Let's jump in. First, open QuickBooks Online and click the plus new button in the top menu. This is your hub for creating all kinds of transactions, and it's the fastest way to record this type of payment to yourself. From the menu that appears, choose Expense. We're selecting Expense simply because it's the form that lets us show money leaving the business bank account. Again, the key will be how we categorize it. Now fill in the details. For payee, select your own name. Keeping the same payee each time makes reports clearer and helps with consistency. Next, choose the business bank account the money is coming from. This should match the account where the transfer actually occurred, so it lines up with your bank feed later. In the category field, select your owner's equity or owner's draw account. This is the crucial choice that keeps this payment from being misclassified as an operating expense. If you're unsure which equity account is right for your setup, check with your accountant to confirm. Enter the amount of the transfer exactly as it appears on your bank statement. If it helps you remember the purpose, you can add a brief note in the memo area for future reference. Keeping dates and amounts aligned with your bank activity will make reconciliations smoother. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the transaction as money leaving your business bank account, offset by your equity. When your bank feed updates, you'll see this transfer reflected and your records will stay consistent. That's it. By using the expense form and pointing it to owner's equity or owner's draw, you've paid yourself in a way that's accurate for bookkeeping and clear for reporting. Use the same process each time you transfer funds to yourself. Keep the category consistent, and you'll avoid common miscategorizations that clutter your profit and loss.